Hello friends! In today's video, we decided to build a wooden fire truck inspired by the legendary Ford C-Series model we used to see in famous movies during our childhood. Watch the video till the end and pay close attention to how closely our handcrafted wooden fire truck resembles the real one. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. From the interior design and engine parts to the wheels, everything is made entirely out of wood. Since the exterior plays a huge role in the overall look, we'll start by focusing on its outer design first.
For the main parts of the truck, the engine, doors, body, and wheels, we used small details like wires and